Welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful day here at Country Chevrolet, and you know what time it is. Today I have a gorgeous 2020 Chevy Silverado 2500 heavy duty LT. You have these 20-inch fuel wheels, 6.6 liter Duramax Turbodiesel engine, 10-speed Allison transmission. You come inside here and you have a black leather interior with heated seats, dual climate control, tailgate down, parking sensors, things like that. You come up here and you have a backup camera. You have the trailering app, which is always nice. You have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wired through USB. You have Chevy Maps Plus if you have OnStar with the data package. You have Amazon Alexa. Maybe. There we go. Amazon Alexa, Spotify, cruise control, heated steering wheel, Bluetooth. This 2020 does have 98,896 miles, so you do not have very much of the factory warranty left, but it is still some there. Now, this thing is gorgeous. You have the side step so you can reach in there. It has a long bed. Oh yeah. Side steps on the back as well. You have a button inside and on the remote. It also has remote start. Hands-free tailgate. You have spray and bed liner. You have the prep right here for your fifth wheel device to go inside. Now, this thing will not last long, I promise you. I mean, it's well taken care of. The aftermarket wheels, I mean, it's gonna go fast. My number's down in the description. Call, text me. It's talk numbers. Let's make a deal. And let's take this thing home. If you stick around to the end of the video, you'll figure out some more ways to contact me. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to double like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.